I can't promise to always keep plans perfectly updated in our joint calendar, but I can promise to always show up whenever you need me. I can't promise not to embarrass you in a restaurant with my loud laugh, but I promise I'll always share my dessert, help you put your coat on, hold your hand across the road, and get you home safely. I can't promise that work won't sometimes sneak into our personal lives, but I promise you'll always be my number one priority. It's going to take a while. I can't promise that I won't occasionally worry about what might go wrong, but I promise to enjoy the present and to live fully in the world we're building together. I can't promise to get everything right the first time, but I promise that whatever comes our way, we'll face it side by side, as we always have. I promise to always be happy to see you, to jump with excitement every single time you walk through the door, and to never stop being curious about you, to keep discovering who you're becoming. And to fall in love with every single version of you. When we're old, our hands are wrinkled and our stories well worn, I want to be able to say, I choose you, over and over again. Whew. On the easy days and the impossible ones, you're my best friend, my wildest adventure, and the most beautiful yes I'll ever say.